Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and this is Miss Cali Cat. You wanna say hi? Say hi! I know, I've done it once. That's all there is to it. So, I went shopping with my bestie. Now, this is gonna be a little small haul because my bestie's of an age that needs a walker. And so, we kind of had to go through quickly. We actually went to pick me up a sewing machine to Walmart. So, we just kind of walked through the clothes to see what they had to offer. And I didn't find a whole bunch, but like I said, we were just kind of looking quickly. So I'm going to show you the two items that I got. We'll try them on and we'll see what you think. Now, I did not get them to go together, so keep that in mind. I can hear my hummingbird again. He's up there on the feeder. All right, so this is what I got from my little mini Walmart haul. I am feeling the plaids lately because when it gets to fall, I start feeling the plaids. I thought this one was cute. It's really soft. It has a little bit of a ruffle up here and down the front, which I thought was very cute. It also has a hidden button right here that helps with the, pulling for the big chest, which I really appreciate. It is in a size OX, which is a 14 woman's. Is in Terra Sky is the brand. Long sleeve, got a little button there. And where's the tag? Let me see what I paid for it. $16.98. So not a horrible price for a shirt. And the best thing about this is, if I don't like it on me, I can give it to my mama because I know my mama is in need of some more shirts. She wears these button-up shirts on a daily basis. Long sleeve year-round because of her medical conditions. Not lupus, it's celiac disease. It's a off branch of lupus because we have lupus in our family. So that was one item I got. And this is the other item. I don't have any dress pants that fit me because all the ones that I have bought previously that y'all have seen on the channel are too big now. So these are a size 12 in a Time and True. And I just thought they're a cute, comfy looking dress pant. And I thought, well, I'll give it a try. I'll try it on at home. We'll see what it looks like. They got a nice wide leg. You know, I do enjoy a wide leg on occasion. So the problem is I don't know how much they cost because it didn't have a tag on it. And don't think I have my receipt in here. I will look it up and I will flash it on the screen for you. But that was what was in my Walmart haul. And I'll show you one more today and I'll try it on and we'll see what we think. I hope we'll be right back. Alright y'all, so this is my outfit of the day. Miss Cali Cat has found a mouse to play in with. These are Kut From the Kloth pants. My black tank top, I think, is Time and True, and the other one is, I think, the Target brand. I'm not sure. Maybe another Walmart one. Terra Sky, I think. I don't know. I'll list it all below for you. I'm wearing Paparazzi Jewelry today. Very cute Paparazzi Jewelry. And let's move on to trying on clothes. Alright, so I probably wouldn't wear these together. I'd probably wear this with jeans. I think it's not too bad. What do y'all think? I mean, I think it would look super cute with jeans. And these pants, I had to do some sucking in to get into. I mean, I think they would work. You definitely can see my panty line. I don't know. I definitely need y'all's help. Y'all, let me know what I should keep and what I should send back because I just don't know today. All right, I am back with my Walmart haul review. I'm tempted to keep these dress pants. Since I don't have any that fit, and on occasion you want to wear dress pants instead of a dress, especially to church or a nice occasion. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Y'all let me know what you think. Comment down below. Tell me if you think I should keep the pants or not. And the shirt. Part of me wants to keep it. Part of me wants to give it to my mom. I don't know. What do y'all think? How did it look on me? Tell me below. I love to hear y'all's opinion. It helps me out so very much. You have no idea. While you're down there commenting, I'd love it if you press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press the notification bell. Y'all, I'm sorry I don't have more definitive answers for you on what I'm keeping, because I just don't know. I mean, yeah, I'm in one of those moods, like, if I just keep it, I don't have to go back to the store and take it back. Isn't that horrible? Yeah, so just let me know what you think. I'd love to hear y'all's opinion. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.